What's up, party people? I'm back with another video. Today is a really good day, maybe the best one since I'm back from my world tour. And yeah, I would say let's recap the day and start the video. Good morning, it's 6 a.m. in the morning. And it's finally the day. So, let's quickly jump under the shower and then we go to work a little bit. And then I finally have a week of holidays. And then something great is happening today. So, yeah, I would say see you later, alligator. Working's done, and I think we're going to take my new car. So, see you in a couple of minutes. So, we're here in my new car. I bought me a Volkswagen T6. Long wheelbase, 150 horsepower. Yeah, it's 4 years old, and yeah, for me, my new daily driver. Finally, my first car. So, yeah, in the next weeks, I will put this to a camper van because right now it's empty. And yeah, I would say it's a good car to start. New adventures, a new chapter is beginning for me because now I'm completely free to go to all my kite sports and go surfing and all that stuff. I don't have to ask anymore my parents, oh, can I have a car or something like this. So yeah, I will give you a short intro about the sick new car. Basically that's it for this video, and more is coming the next days and in the next weeks, and then I will start the whole build up from a transporter to a new camper van. So yeah, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, give me a like, thumbs up, and stay tuned for the next things. Peace out and see you next video. Bye.